morning, everybody. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. The FOMO index has dropped to 59 from yesterday's 64. Bitcoin dominance is 46.1%. 24-hour volume is 43 billion. The overall market cap is 1.13 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Well, we talked about this, so it should have come as no surprise to anyone in this boutique community when Bitcoin price action took a dive. It will be down the 23.6% fib retracement level of 26.3. A breakout and down would likely see us look for support down at 26.6, which is also the 38.2% retracement level. Lord love a doc. She didn't do just that. After ghosting the 20 and the 50 moving average, price action careened down, finding a bottom and a bounce. 26.5 and is feathered up to it. Time of production, 26.9, leaving this cute little bear flag in its wake. And the price probability of this flag is, and sing it with me now. Oh, you take the pull, you slide it all, the breakout point, and then we're all at 24.7-ish, which would start carving out the shoulder of old Mr. Clean's head and shoulders pattern. But we'll cross that pattern bridge if, and I say if, she goes there. For now, I'm gonna change our ascending triangle pattern to a channel and keep my papers on that breakout point of 26.6. We need her to hold. Now over on the ding-dong, we have some bearish corobs down at 25.5. Not only is it the 38.2% retracement level, it's also the most important level over on the weekly, but we'll get to that in a second. My heartbreakingly optimistic upside target is to get back up to and break out of 28.8. That would first off negate the bear flag on the 4-hour chart, but would also put in a new high, which, as you can see, we've been struggling to do. Quick look at the Wookiee, sees its own bearish corrobs in the form of the 200 moving average, joining forces with the 38.2% fib retracement level. Now that's a substantial double whammy of bearish pressure, but it's been the opinion of this piano for a couple weeks now that a bounce from the 200 would be a mega bullish show of strength. It's just she's dicey down there, she is. We don't want to go back underneath her, or, well, the narrative. She's gots to change, for a while at least, as the 200 is the barometer of bullish prowess in our current upward momentum. And it looks like the U.S. government is taking out schmuck insurance. Your touchy-feely, ketony breath psychopathic Uncle Sam is the world's biggest whale, don't you know? Extorting almost 250,000 bitcoins out of the hands of dastardly criminals, keeping Cryptoville clear of ne'er-do-wells and no-gooders. And it's the opinion of this piano that it's the U.S. government's economic dead man switch for when not if, but when she all collapses, and she will, they will be adequately positioned to emerge as a Bitcoin powerhouse on the world's new economic stage. Now, my takeaway from this was at first pretty negative, and then I realized the transformation everyone goes through once they become a Bitcoiner changes your worldview for the better. It aligns you with the truth and the foundation of sound money economics. And maybe, just maybe, like most of us here, the U.S. government got into Bitcoin for the speculation, but's gonna stay for the revolution. Could happen, you never know. Stranger things have happened, but remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing it with me now. I'll run the banks of boom to spang. Bitcoin, crypto, morning day. Hey, whoa. D minor. C sharp minor. There it is, E flat.